evening viewers and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacts with Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation co-person Bill Gates via video conference. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announces third tranche of economic stimulus. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma addresses concern raised by coal NGOs, assures ASHA workers to get their wage payments at the earliest. And Meghalaya government informs that it will requisition special trains at its own expense for stranded students and individuals. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacted with Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation co-person Bill Gates via video conference yesterday. They discussed the global response to COVID-19 and the importance of global coordination on scientific innovation and research and development to combat the pandemic. The Prime Minister underlined the cautious approach that India has adopted in its fight against the health crisis, an approach based on ensuring public engagement through appropriate messaging. He explained how the people-centric bottom-up approach has helped win acceptability by physical distancing, respect for frontline workers, wearing of masks, maintaining proper hygiene and respecting lockdown provisions. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman today announced the next set of measures of the mega stimulus package of rupees 20 lakh crore announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Among the measures announced by the Finance Minister in New Delhi today include 1 lakh crore fund for agri-infrastructure, a 10,000 crore scheme for formalization of micro-food enterprises, 20 crores for fishermen through Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, a 15,000 crore animal husbandry infrastructure development fund, 4,000 crores for promotion of herbal cultivation, 5,000 crores for beekeeping initiative, 5,000 crores to extend cooperation green from tomatoes, onion, potatoes to all fruits and vegetables, and planned amendments to Essential Commodities Act. With concerns raised by the various NGOs in the Jaintia Hills district regarding bringing in coal from the neighbouring state of Assam, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the state is following the mandate given by the Union Government, the Apex Court and the NGT. He added the government is also making arrangements for transportation and auctioning of coal, which will happen soon. Meanwhile, on wage payments of ASHA workers in the state, Sangma informed that the state government is working on ensuring that there is no need and no more delay in payments.
Jaintia Hills about the coal issue. I think we are very clear that whatever mandate has been given by Government of India, whatever mandate has been given by Supreme Court, NGT, all of this mixed together, this situation has been is what we are facing. So therefore, in this given circumstances, this is the only way forward, is to allow the coals to come from outside, and we are working towards ensuring that some transportation and some auction of coal can take from our side, which should happen very soon. We have already done everything from our side to ensure that maximum of the amounts have been cleared, but whatever regularly they're supposed to get, the government is ensuring that those are clear. And if there are any particular more issues that they would like to make aware to the government, we're open to whatever discussions and whatever points they have. But in the future, we had planned it from this financial year, but because of COVID, we couldn't do it. That Ashas, Anganwadis, master roles, and the other working things that are there, who work on this daily wage, wherever the organized systems are there, we want to ensure that they get their salaries and their payments.
The state government has informed that it will requisition special trains at its own expense for stranded students and individuals. Talking to reporters yesterday, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said that the state government will book the train at its own expense, adding that the residents need not worry about the train fare. He also informed that the total number of students and individuals who have so far reached the state from different places within Northeast as well as the few states outside the region until Thursday is 4,161. Tinsong also informed that during a review meeting, it was decided to set up more testing centers for those stranded residents entering the state. It may be mentioned that the decision was taken since the special train ferrying citizens stranded at Tamil Nadu will be arriving at Guwahati on Friday at 4:30 p.m. Meanwhile, Deputy Chief Commissioner West Jaintia Hills, Garrett L.S.N. Dykes, informed that a total of 97 residents from the district have returned back home from various parts of the country. Dykes also informed that the district administration has set up dropping point for persons returning to the district from outside Meghalaya at High Winds Lakeside Hotel, Thatlasken.
So after 14 days, again there will be a medical screening by the team at the field, and if they are in the centers, they will be discharged. Then if they are in their respective families, advice by the health official will be given to them. So will be again it will be again those general advice which is applicable not only to those who has returned back from different parts of India, but also to all the citizens.
I would like to inform to all of you that special train has been organized by the state government. Number one, I'm happy to inform you that yesterday evening, special train paid by the government of Meghalaya left Chennai, and they are reaching tomorrow in the afternoon around 4 o'clock at railway station Guwahati. And let me tell you, the train fare are being borne by the state government. Our friends, stranded students outside the state, you don't have to worry about. We are paying even the train fare till you reach back your hometown.
State Agriculture Minister Banteidor Lingdo, after the cabinet meeting today, informed that the state government has approved the Meghalaya State Agriculture Produce and Livestock Marketing Promotion and Felicitation Bill 2020. Speaking to reporters, Lingdo said the implementation of the Act in the state is very important to the agricultural sector. With the implementation of the proposed Act, government will assist in creating proper marketing infrastructure like market platforms, storage facilities, cold storage godowns, etc., which will in return help in forming an organized marketing system. The Act will also bring in more transparency to the agricultural marketing system and enable farmers to realize higher returns.
Agriculture, marketing, produce and livestock. I just want to inform you, it will be a very good and a very simple bill. It will help our farmers of the state. It's very, very important. Farmers will be happy, I'll tell you. They'll be very, very happy because this bill, it will help all the farmer of our state. That I want to say. This is very
MDC for Meghalaya constituency, who is also the president of Meghalaya Farmers Association, Taborlang Pathau, yesterday distributed seeds and manure to farmers from 5 different villages under the Meghalaya constituency. Over 100 beneficiaries were benefited by the allocation. Addressing the gathering, Pathau said that since it's sowing season and because of the lockdown, farmers are not being able to procure the needs. Hence, from the association, they have decided to assist the farmers. Well, let's have a look at the weather report. Maximum temperature 23.5 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 15.5 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 78% and in the evening 90%. Forecast: Shillong and its adjoining areas will have generally cloudy sky, rain and thunder shower likely to occur. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.